Simply put, the toddler featured in this video is about 1,000,000 times braver than we will ever be. Raphael Langmuir, a 40-year-old Canadian resident, told the CBC that he took his 4-year-old daughter, Lee, on small and private plane ride recently, going so far as to flip the vehicle at one point in order to ensure she would never be afraid if a plane ever went upside. And afraid Lee most definitely is not. Check out the footage to see the toddler clearly having the time of her life, despite the seemingly dangerous maneuver. Or perhaps because of it.